I don't think business is for everyone. But everyone, once in their lifetime, should be able to start their own business. Para malaman mo kung gaano kahirap magnegosyo. Kasi kung habang buhay kang magiging empleyado, it's okay. Maraming yumayaman sa pagiging employee. But you have to understand where is your boss coming from. Saan sila nanggagaling, bakit lagi nilang sinasabi na ang hirap ng ginagawa nila ngayon? Kasi you'll never know where is someone coming from hanggat hindi ka napapaupo sa posisyon nila. I think people should start their own business so they understand bakit nila nasasabihan laging masasama o ugali ng mga taong mayayaman. Bakit na laging nasasabihan na itong mga taong to may pera lang, akala mo kung sino na. But it's really not it. Nung na-realize ko na ang pinamababait na tao sa mundong to ay ang taong may mga pera, it's because when I start my business, nakita ko kung gaano nila pinapahalaga ng oras pagkakataon at kung gaano karaming beses nakakaranas ng hirap at betrayal ang mga business owners. Doon ko na-realize na they're not bad people. They just know their boundaries.